Hi, welcome to Panika Maths. Today we are going to discuss exercise 6.1 third and fourth problem. See the question. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. In that, see the first one. This is the first one. No? What they ask to write? First term and common difference. What is the first term here? This is only no. Therefore, a equals to 3. And what they ask? Common difference. Common difference means D. What is the D formula? A2 minus A1. Here what are the values? See? A1, A2, A3, A4. So, A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. I am taking A2 minus A1. See? A2 value how much? 1. Minus A1 value how much? 3. 3 minus 1 how much ma? 2. What is the bigger number symbol? Minus. That's all no. Problem is completed. Easy no. What they ask? First term. First term means which is the first term? That is only the first term. A equals to 3. And common difference. Common difference formula is A2 minus A1. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 how much? 2. Bigger number symbol what? Minus. So minus. Did you understand? Shall we go to next one? See. In this problem, what is A value ma? How much is the A value? Minus 5. And what is the D value? A2 minus A1. What is A1 here? This is A1, A2, A3, A4 no? What is A2 value? Minus 1 minus A1 value. Here, minus 5. Minus 5. Here do this. Minus 1. Minus into minus. Plus 5. 5 minus 1 how much? 4. That's all. Problem is completed. See the next one. What is the question? This is a question. Then what is the first term? What is the first term here? 1 by 3. Now what is the D value? A2 minus A1. Do this A2 minus A1. This is A1. This is A2 now. Do A2 minus A1. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Same number no. Take LCM as 3. Then what we have to do? 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 how much ma? 4. 4 by 3. That's all. Problem is completed. See, very easy no. Only one step problems. See, in this what is the A value ma? 0.6. And what is the D value? A1, A2. A2 minus A1 no? 1.7 minus 0.6. Subtract it. 1.7 minus 0.6. 7 minus 6 how much? 1. 1 minus 0? 1. 1.1. Bigger number? Plus only. So, what is the answer? 1.1. That's all. Third problem is over. Shall we go to fourth problem? See the question. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference and D and write 3 more terms. We have to find first these are in AP or not. If they are in AP, we have to find the common difference D and write the 3 more terms. First check it. Is this in AP or not? For checking it, what we know that? We know that D equals to what ma? A2 minus A1, that equals to A3 minus A2, that equals to A4 minus A3. All are D only no. If you check this, if all are equal, then what we can say? This is in AP. So let us check for this problem. This is A1, A2, A3, A4 no. Check for this. What is D? D equals to A2 minus A1. First check A2 minus A1. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 how much ma? 2. Again check for A3 minus A2. What is A3 value? 8. 8 minus A2 value? 4. 8 minus 4 how much? 4. Are you getting the same values? No. Since A2 minus A1 is not equals to A3 minus A2, therefore, what we can say? The given series is not an arithmetic progression. Did you understand now? If they are equal, then we can find the common difference and 3 more terms. But these are not equal. So what we can say? The given series is not an arithmetic progression. Did you understand, ma? Shall we go to second problem? See the question. What is the question? 2 comma 5 by 2 comma 3 comma 7 by 2 and so on. This is the question. Then what are a1, a2, a3, a4 values, ma? What we have to check first? D equals to a2 minus a1. First check a2 minus a1. What is the a2 value? 5 by 2 minus a1 value 2. Take LCM 2. Then 5 minus cross multiplication now 2 2s are 4. How much is this, ma? 5 minus 4 1 by 2. That's all, no? Now check for a3 minus a2. a3 value how much? 3 minus a2 value 5 by 2. Take LCM. How much is this? 3 2s are 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 how much? 1 by 2. See here, what you got? a2 minus a1 value 1 by 2. a3 minus a2 value 1 by 2. Both are equal now. a2 minus a1 equals to a3 minus a2. Therefore, what we can say? It is an arithmetic progression. And what they said? Find the common difference, no? Therefore, D equals to what? D already we found. What is the value of D? 1 by 2. Again, what they said? Write 3 more terms. Write 3 more terms of this series. How can we write this? See, A4 already given, no? A5 equals to what? A4 plus D. That's all, no? What is A4 value? 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. How we got A4 plus D, ma? In the, see here, A2 minus A1. Difference between this is 1 by 2. Difference between this is 1 by 2. Difference between this is 1 by 2. Means 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is going to be added. In the first introduction video, I have explained you how the difference is going to be added from one term to one term. So what we get? A5 equals to A4 plus D. A4 value 7 by 2 plus D value 1 by 2. Same number, no? Take LCM. 7 plus 1. How much is this? 8 by 2. That equals to how much? 2 1s are 2 4s are. That equals to 4. Now what is A6 value, ma? A6 equals to A5 plus D. That equals to, what is the A5 value? 4. 4 plus D value 1 by 2. That equals to, take LCM. 4 2s are 8 plus 1. That equals to 9 by 2. That's all. Next, A7 value. A6 plus D. That equals to 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. That equals to how much, ma? Same. LCM 2. 9 plus 1. That equals to 10 by 2. That equals to 2 1s are 2 5s are 5. What are the values we got? A5 equals to 4. A6 equals to 9 by 2. A7 equals to 5. That's all. Problem is completed. Easy problems, no? Shall we go to next problem? Shall we do some more problems in the same method? Wait. See the third question. What is the third problem, ma? Minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 and so on. This is the series, no? Now check it. What is it? This is A1, A2, A3, A4. That's all, no? Now what is D, ma? A2 minus A1. Check A2 minus A1. Minus 3.2 minus A1 value minus 1.2. See here, minus 3.2 minus into minus plus 1.2. How much is this? Add subtraction, no? 2 minus 2 0. 3 minus 1 2. Bigger number symbol minus, so minus 2.0. Now check for A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2 equals to, what is A3 value, ma? Minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2 A2 value. Now minus 5.2 minus into minus plus 3.2. That equals to, add it both, no? Sorry, subtract it both, same different symbols, no? Subtraction. 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. Bigger number symbol, minus. What we got? Both are same, equal, no? A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. Therefore, it is an arithmetic progression. Then what we have to find? This is the D value, no? D equals to minus 2. Then what we have to find? A5 value. A5 equals to what? A4 plus D. What is A4 value, ma? Minus 7.2 plus D. D value minus 2. 2.0. Add both. Minus 7 minus 2. How much? Minus 9.2. Again, A6 equals to A5 plus D. That's all, no? What is A5 value? Minus 9.2 minus 2.0. How much you will get? 9, 10, 11. Minus 11.2. That's all. Now, A7 value. A6 plus D. That equals to minus 11.2 minus 2.0. 12, 13. Minus 13.2. Easy problems, no? See, A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, we will do it. If they are equal, then we will say it is an AP. If they are not equal, it is not in AP. So we can leave there. If they are equal, we have to find A5, A6 and A7. Right? 3 more values with 3 more terms they asked. No. We know the formulas for that. Just substitution. That's all. Problem is completed. Shall we do one more problem in the same method? Total how many problems are there? 10, 11, 12, 13 problems are there. Let me do 2 more problems and I will stop that. Fourth one, see, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and so on. See the question. This is A1, A2, A3, A4. Now do D equals to how much? A2 minus A1. A2 value minus 6, minus of A1 value minus 10. That equals to how much? Minus 6, minus into minus, plus 10. 10 minus 6 how much? 4. Bigger number symbol plus, so 4. Now check A3 minus A2. What is A3 value? Minus 2. Minus of A2 value, minus 6. Minus 2, minus into minus, plus 6. 6 minus 2 how much? 4. What we got? Both the values are equal, no? Then what we can say? Therefore, it is an AP. Then what is D value, ma? 4. Then what we have to find? A5 equals to A4 plus D. What is A4 value? 2. 2 plus 4. How much is this? 6. A6 value? A5 plus D. That equals to 6 plus 4. That equals to 10. A7 value? A6 plus D. That equals to 10 plus 4. That equals to how much? 14. That's all. Problem is completed. Easy problems, no? Shall we do one more problem? See the fifth one. What is the question? 3 plus root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2. Next, 3 plus 3 root 2. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. This is the series, ma. What is our first step? Write A1, A2, A3, A4 right. Then what is D? A2 minus A1. 3 plus root 2 minus A1 value 3. See here, plus 3 minus 3 cancel. What is the value? Root 2. Now check A3 minus A2. What is A3 value, ma? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus of A2. A2 value how much? 3 plus root 2. Minus is for both the numbers, no? Then take minus separately. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2 plus 3 minus 3 cancel. In this both shall I take root 2 common? Then what it will become? 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 how much? 1. root 2. What we got? Root 2, root 2. Both are equal now. Then what we can say? It is an arithmetic progression. And what is the d value? Root 2. Again what we have to find? a5. a5 equals to what? a4 plus d. What is a4 value? 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2 d value. Then add it now. 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. How much it will become? 4 root 2. That's all. Again a6 equals to a5 plus d. That equals to 3 plus 4 root 2 plus d value root 2. What it will become? 3 plus 5 root 2. Next a7 value. a6 plus d. That equals to 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2. How much is this? 3 plus 6 root 2. That's all. Problem is completed. Easy problems, Mama. Shall I say one more problem? See the sixth one. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222 and so on. This is the given series. What we want to write? A1, A2, A3, A4. Now find the value of d. A2 minus A1. What is A2? 0.22 minus A1. 0.2. How much you will get? See here. 0.22. 0.2. Nothing here means 0. Subtract it. 2 minus 0. 2. 2 minus 2. 0. 0.02 we are getting. 0.02. Now solve A3 minus A2. What is A3 value? 0.222 minus 0.22. Solve this. 0.2222 minus 0.22. How much you will get? Subtract it now. 2 minus 0? Nothing. 2 minus 2? 0. 2 minus 2? 0. How much you are getting? 0.002. 0.002. Is the both are equal? Since A2 minus A1 is not equals to A3 minus A2, therefore what we can say, ma'am? It is not an AP, arithmetic progression. Did you understand? Continuation problems we will do in the next video. Did you understand, ma'am? If you have any doubt, give in the comment box. If you like my video, press on the like button, share my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.